Welcome to Math and Me. By this video we are going to find out the square from n by m format square. So it's a very easy theory, like n into m, okay, plus n minus 1 into m minus 1 plus n minus 2 into n minus 2 plus n minus 3 into m minus 3. We can do it up to one part become 0. Look, here is, this is n, this is m. So n equals to 3 and m equals to what? 1, 2, 1, 2, and here is 1, 2, 3. So m equals to 2. Look, here is n minus 3. It means 3 minus 3 equals to 0. If we multiply any number by 0, the result will be 0. So we can keep here up to n minus 3 or m minus 3. Now we put the value in here. Nx equals to 3. So 3 into m is 2, okay, plus here is n minus 1. 3 minus 1 into m minus 1, it means 2 minus 1, plus n minus 2, it means 3 minus 2 into m minus 2, it means 2 minus 2, plus dot dot dot, no need, because 2 minus 2 it will become 0. So here is 6 plus 3 minus 1, it's 2 into 2 minus 1 means 1 plus 0, because 2 minus 2 equals to 0, 0 into 1 equals to 0. So our result will be 6 plus 2 equals to 8. So here is number of square is 8. Okay, thank you.